It can be hard to know for sure if your wife is cheating, but there are a few common signs to watch out for. You may notice changes in her schedule or habits, such as staying out later after work or spending more money than usual. You might also notice that it's harder to reach her when she's out. If you ask her about these changes, pay attention to whether her explanations make sense or are consistent. Note whether you hear her talking a lot about a new friend or coworker, since this could be a sign that she's interested or involved with them. Look out for changes in her behavior at home, too. For instance, she might seem more emotionally or physically distant, or you might notice that she's quick to hide her phone or computer screen when you walk into a room. None of these signs are definite proof that your wife is cheating. So think about the bigger picture and try communicating with her about your concerns before you jump to any conclusions.